Gear up for the big reveal of Samsung's newest mid-range star, the Galaxy A55. This sleek addition to the Galaxy family is all set to shake up the market with some really cool features. Just recently, we got a sneak peek at its impressive charging speed and heard whispers about its powerful Exynos chipset. The Galaxy F55 is the successor to the beloved F54 and is about to launch globally, including in India. Here's a quick rundown. Imagine a sharp 6.5-inch flat display with a punchy Infinity O front camera, full HD plus resolution, and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The design is super sleek with a triple camera setup at the back for perfect snaps. Inside, it's rumored to have the new Exynos 1480 chipset with an AMD GPU, 25U fast charging, and 5G support. Plus, a 50MP main camera is set to elevate your photo game. Excited? Drop a comment, hit like, and stay tuned for more updates on the Galaxy F55. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next one.